Fizza, I see so many birds here. Are there many kinds of birds in the UAE?
Oh yes, Ahmed. The UAE is home to a wide variety of birds. Let me tell you all about them. There are over 450 species of birds in the UAE. Some of them live here all year round, while others are just passing through during their migration.
Migration? What does that mean?
Good question. Migration means birds travel to warmer or cooler places depending on the season. The UAE is a key stop for migratory birds traveling between Africa, Europe, and Asia. For example, you've probably seen greater flamingos in Abu Dhabi's wetlands. These elegant birds visit the UAE during the winter months.
Wow, flamingos are so pretty. What other birds can we find here?
There are desert birds like the lappet-faced vulture and the sand partridge. Coastal areas are home to seabirds like terns and cormorants. And let's not forget the falcon, the national bird of the UAE. It's a symbol of pride and an important part of Emirati culture.
That's so cool. How can we help protect these birds?
Great question, Ahmed. We can protect birds by avoiding littering, preserving wetlands, and planting native trees to provide shelter.
Thanks, Fizza! I didn't know the UAE had so many amazing birds.
You're welcome, Ahmed. Remember, learning about nature helps us protect it.